Okay, y'all, so we are at Stop and Shop. Let's see. We just had to get the shop cart. Yeah, I used to drink these all the time. They're actually pretty good. So let's see. You don't know which one that is. You just pick anything. Food be so expensive. Like, I don't be understanding. We're finna get this bad boy right here.
Mommy.
I'll get this one. Yes, I'm in here with the bonnet because I just woke up. And yeah, I got a silk press. I'm not gonna mess this up for nobody. Okay? Look what happened to my cupcakes. Like, because these freaking stupid brown paper bags, they ripped and broke and it fell. Like, I was not going back. I already had to go back because my eggs were freaking cracked and it was leaking. So I had to go back to change those, and then as soon as I come out the store, the whole bag ripped and this happens. Like,
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video we'll be taking off unwigging the wig cap. She'll first show you guys how her hair is like shiny, hard work and dedication. This is almost 8 years. You should have seen what it looked like before I met her. So as I was saying, guys, you know, she strokes it that way.
so let's put this lip liner. Oh wait, cause this really irks me. I have to brush my teeth before I put something on my lip, like all the time. Like of course you gotta brush your teeth every day, but I specifically have to brush my teeth again if I'm putting on lip gloss. I don't know why, but hold on. These are one of my glosses that I used to make, which I will be bringing back in February. So make sure y'all follow us at Shape Body Care so y'all can stay tuned. We do release them again. It's super glossy. It's not too sticky or anything. And don't leave that stupid white residue. No white residue. That's what my gloss is leaving. I hate that.
Babysitting tomorrow. Bedside kids, $25. East New York kids, $80. Brownsville kids, $500.
I'm crying.
Not accepting Bronx applications at this time.
Yes, glasses. Are these or these? Yeah, they're all right, those I'm gonna go with some Amberie's different here, y'all. Make sure y'all check out those Tia perfumes. Like, they smell so good and last for a long time. So we're gonna use for this. Alright, so this spray on the neck. Shoot, shoot. Come on the clothes. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my Chanel 5 because I love me some Chanel number 5. I think Chanel number 5 smells really good. These oils be smelling so long for no time. Stay tuned. We're gonna be releasing these in February. Okay, we're going. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So we are about to finish this. Well, we're about to start the pants. These viral pants that I see on TikTok. I'm gonna show you like a picture of it, but yeah. So I got the little string. Y'all should know by this. That's going viral. Everybody's like making pants. So I got me some black ones. Some black ones coming doing my black jeans. These black pants right here, because I love all black and everything. So yeah, you gotta watch to make it. So let's. Okay, y'all, so this is how it look so far. I wish my lining was better. But I made like a cute little heart. And then yeah, I left like some right here so it could like hang or turn to a belt. I done got some glue on here already. But yeah, so I'm gonna come back when it's finished because like I'm literally doing this on the floor. I don't have a tripod, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when this leg is done. So it's the next morning. And yeah, so these are how the pants came out, y'all. They're super cute. I like them. They're kind of like baggy because they were my main jeans, so. But I be liking that lemon look jeans. I don't know. I like boy jeans for some reason better than female jeans. I just went to get it altered a little bit because it got that little thing this right here in the back. And I don't like that. So, but yeah, these are the jeans. I really love how they came out. They're super cute. They're super cute. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more DIYs like this. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of stuff on here. Make sure you like, share, send this to a friend. If you know somebody who likes to DIY stuff, send it to them. And make sure you follow me on my Instagram, my personal Instagram at Shay Monet, and follow my business page at Shay Body Care. Shop for some self-care products. I understand, I'm trying to make a video. Do it. And I post notifications. And make sure y'all follow me on my business page and my personal page. And I'll see y'all in my next video. I'm about to go shopping.